Guys, ilang araw na ako nag-iisip ng project. I need something innovative, something that represents me the now. Han mo!
Uy, honey! Oo nga, ni. Dapat unique. Pero doable. At di na kailangan magpuyat. Uy!
Pero wait, tignan mo to. May mga estudyante na gumagawa ng ampalaya kimchi.
Shuroy! Ang palaya, as in bitter gourd. Korean Mindanaoan kimchi. Yeah, play mo nga.
Hi mga ka-kimchi! So, hello, ayan, alright! How are you doing everyone? So today we're back with a new video regarding to our new product which is innovative and cost-friendly. So this is inspired by Oh My Food 2023 which will be a kimchi, but not the typical kimchi. It is a ampalaya kimchi. So go ahead and skip this part and let's see our procedure. First, we wash 1 kilogram of ampalaya thoroughly. Then, slice it vertically, remove the seeds, and cut it into thin half-moon pieces. Next, place all slices in a big bowl and add 63 grams of rock salt. Massage well to draw out water and reduce bitterness. Leave for about an hour. Then, rinse it 3 times and drain thoroughly. Squeeze out extra water, just like how we squeeze out our stress every exam week. While waiting, peel and slice 200 grams of singkamas into thin strips. This replaces carrots, it's cheaper, local, and crunchy. Then, slice the green onions for later. Also prep and slice the other ingredients that are needed for the paste, like radish, apples, pears, garlic, and ginger. In a blender, combine half an apple, 1 Asian pear, 75 grams of radish, garlic, ginger, and about 30 grams of fermented shrimp. Blend it all until smooth. Warning though, the smell is strong but worth it. Transfer your blended mixture into a big bowl. Add fish sauce, brown sugar, and gochugaru or Korean chili flakes. Mix well until it becomes that thick, red flavorful paste we all know and love. Add your sliced green onions and singkamas into the paste. Then pour in our drained ampalaya slices. Mix everything until every piece is coated beautifully, like spicy art. Place the mixture into clean, sterilized jars. Leave some space at the top for the gas to escape. Loosely close the lid, then ferment at room temperature for 3 days, and refrigerate after for deeper flavor.
Segregate your trash.
Sure dishes.
Guys, grabe, ang galing! Who would have thought of using ampalaya for kimchi? It's very creative, healthy, and very Mindanaoan.
Tama. Instead of imported, napaka-beige. They use a vegetable we already grow locally, no? And singkamas as substitute. Genius. Affordable. Tapos sustainable. At may local touch.
Guys, tamahan mo. We can actually use this idea for a fermentation study. We'll monitor the process, yung pH level changes, color, aroma, and taste during fermentation.
Oh! It's not just a science experiment, no? It's innovation with purpose. If people learn how to make local fermented products like this, like that, it could support local farmers and promote healthier food choices.
Guys, oo! Imagine turning the vegetable that is known for its bitterness to something you crave for. From pait to patok.
Ang ganda nun! Pwede natin tagline yan. Ampalaya kimchi. Pait no more, flavor galore.
Guys, tara na! Before pa natin makalimutan mag-ampalaya kimchi.
Uy! Bitter but better.